Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a radio out of a 1972 Oldsmobile Hurst Olds. I'm assuming that Hurst refers to the shifting mechanism. I know that much about cars. And this comes from Alex in Sebastian, Florida. Thank you so much, Alex, for your business from clear across the country. You bypassed quite a few shops to get to me, so I really appreciate your business. Alex has requested the modern internal conversion to add, well, it's already an AM/FM radio, so he's requested the modern internal conversion to greatly increase the output power. We're going from, say, about 4 watts per side to 22.5 watts per speaker for up to 4 speakers, so that's quite a bit of power increase there. I've got it set to AM at the moment, tuned to the one strong AM station I get in my area, so let's turn it on.
You know, the way she has spoken about.
Alrighty, and we're going to adjust our balance and demonstrate our balance and fader functions.
I just have hatred in my soul.
Front rear fader.
Physical violence.
Fader adjust.
Okay.
Can you mark?
No,
all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear.
About a week and a half ago,
okay, I'm going to center him.
you had a lot of phone calls coming in.
Fader
set. Left, right, balance.
Asking about your chest and everything.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
With my
All the way left.
We were talking about
all the way right.
Boat. It was a
left.
West
Right.
Walker. He was on Dennis
I'm gonna
Prager
center him.
2018. And
Balance set.
Balance is set. Okay, let's go to FM. I've got all 5 presets set to FM stations in my area, so we can get through this test quickly.
For more, visit nahealth.com.
Okay, and that's it. We got AM, FM, and he didn't request the Bluetooth or USB or anything like that, so that completes the test. Let's make sure the dial light comes on, and you can actually see if I tilt the radio your way, you can probably see that dial light coming on through that hole right there. You see it flashing on and off when I press the button. So there we go. That takes care of the whole doggone thing. This is one of the easier jobs of the day. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me by visiting my website below and printing a work order. That will answer all your questions. You don't need to take me off the bench for 15-20 minutes asking me a bunch of what all do you do type crap. All you gotta do is just go on my website and print a work order. It has all my options and prices, including options for turn time. Don't ask me how busy I am. How busy does it look I am? This is like my 5th or 6th video today. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. Thank you, Alex, for your business all the way from Sebastian, Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.